Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the 7 coolest gadgets for students must have. Let's get started. Rotrics. Rotrics is a desktop robot arm that can perform a variety of tasks with the user simply changing the work tool at the end of the robotic arm. For instance, Rotrics can make a drawing even in color, and the laser tool transforms the robot into an engraver to decorate various items or create customized gifts. The inventor of this device compares it to Jarvis Iron Man's assistant. The third intriguing feature of Rotrics is 3D printing. You can also write custom code for the robot to give it special abilities, such as using Rotrics to play chess. In addition, you can connect several Rotrics devices to build a small production line. The manufacturer, the American company Hexbot Robotics, emphasizes the device's accuracy and high speed. The minimum cost is $780. Mint, a portable printer that fits comfortably in your pocket and only weighs 162 grams, will be particularly tempting to those who enjoy photography. Any photo on your phone may be printed in 60 seconds. The built-in battery ensures 50 print cycles, and the Polaroid technology eliminates the need to change cartridges in order for the printer to function. The cost of the item is $60. Voo smart glasses are not new, but the majority of the current ones have a significant flaw in their design or appearance. Voo glasses, however, are an exception since the camera is too obvious or they are just plain ugly. Nobody will be able to tell that they are smart glasses because of the way they are made. The end result is a chic accessory that can ease your life and make it more comfortable. To answer the phone, change the music, take a picture, hear a notice, or get information about your activity. Voo establishes a Bluetooth connection with your smartphone. The use of bone conduction technology, which transmits sounds to the inner ear by vibrations directed at the skull's bones so that only the wearer can hear the sound, is another significant and intriguing element of Voo glasses. With this Voo, you can hear normally without disturbing those around you. It also doesn't block your ears. The firm has created a number of models that are available in prescription sunglasses and planos, when $80 is the starting price. GoTouch Beam. The following device has been made exclusively for you if you've always wanted a projector that is both cutting-edge technology and simple to operate. Smart Writing System. As modern technology develops, new tools become available to us and raise the bar for working with all types of papers. The Moleskine notebooks are an excellent illustration. For instance, this pen functions in conjunction with a unique smartphone application. Every line is recorded in real time and uploaded immediately to your smartphone. The individuals simultaneously take notes on their phone and on paper. The quickest way to transfer data to your phone is with the Moleskine Pen Plus. And here is a smart notebook. Its primary purpose is to upload notes or a number of sketches to your Dropbox account. In case you're unaware, Dropbox is a well-known system for hosting files. The Dropbox Smart Notebook not only enables you to quickly save your own works of art, but it also makes it easier and faster for you to distribute your writing. The Smart Pen costs $129. The developer worked hard to create this amazing product, and each page of notebook has encoded technology built in that is invisible to the human eye. This technology helps the Smart Pen recognize exactly where it is in the notebook. Additionally, the notebook is able to recognize the symbols. So if you write down an event on paper for a specific date, it will be automatically linked to the correct day in your calendar or planner. Trio. Many people are aware of the benefits of using many displays simultaneously for designers, including making it simpler to compare various iterations of their work and handling big amounts of data. These disadvantages are clearly obvious, as the monitors take up a lot of space and aren't very transportable. Fortunately, you can concurrently have video conferences and work with various programs at once. The Trio system, created by the company Mobile Pixels, allows you you to add 2 additional screens to any standard laptop. In addition, they make sure to address all of the issues raised above with this design. The secret to Trio is that it folds up when either or both of the additional monitors are not required. The monitors are available in 2 sizes, 12 and a half and 14 inches, and they're priced at $229 and $259 respectively, because they can be placed on top of the laptop lid. The system doesn't in any way affect the convenience of the computer, which simply increases in thickness. But that's not all. The device is lightweight and energy efficient. Propoint. Propoint is merely an elaborately designed wireless computer mouse that functions exactly like a normal mouse. However, it also has many benefits. For instance, Propoint can assist you during presentations by allowing you to rearrange the slides and highlight or mark important text. Propoint assists you in maintaining the palm of your hand in an ideal and comfortable position, increasing muscular strain while providing the most crucial information simultaneously. In addition, you may comfortably work anywhere due to the small surface area. Propoint has a $160 minimum purchase price. Which of the inventions amazes you the most? Is this video helpful to you? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.